Indonesia University, Bogor University. So today I'm going to present to you my research about Japas and answer for astronomical problem in Marunda, Jakarta. Indonesia has so many cities, including the capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta. Jakarta is the most populous city in Indonesia and estimated to be 10.6 million in 2012. So in Jakarta there are about 14 rivers and has 32 km long beach and produce 600 tons waste per day. It's a problem. So one of Jakarta region is called Marunda in the North Jakarta. I'm gonna show you a video what happened in Marunda.
Buat Pantai Publik Marunda di kawasan RW 7, Kelurahan Marunda, Kecamatan Cilincing, Jakarta.
This is what happened in Marunda. There are so many little problems because Marunda is a place of coastal. So the leader is so many in there. As it is a tourist destination in Marunda, but there's so many litter in there. It's a problem for us. So the leaders will be ended in the coastal area. So in the Marunda is the tourist destination place, is the place to catch a fish for fishermen, and because the Marunda is coastal and in the place it will experience experimental stress, the effect of litter cause but increase the population of Jakarta. You can see from the circle is the river in the Marunda. They will experience environmental stress. The effect of litter cause increase of population in Jakarta. So my research have the formulation, purpose, and expected outcomes. The formulation is there, the condition, the past concept, and the application to deal with the problem of the litter. And the purpose is to study the condition, identify the condition, the way that they solve the problem and define the solution, and the expected outcomes that we getting of knowledge, and also provide inspiration for the government and for etc. So first litter, what is litter? It's something that is not used, not liked, or something that is not thrown away from human activity and doesn't happen by itself. The litter coming from first settlement, second public place, office, the highway, industrial, and the farm agriculture. And from Ahmadi, we know that there is differentiation generally from the yard kitchen, from paper, resin metal, and wood, and plastic, and etc. Then coastal estuary river is where the land and sea meet is made of coastal and estuary river, and the products are distinct community, very environmental condition, and the leader will end up in this area. So it is real dangerous for ecosystem if there is some kind so much stress or litter in there. So my research method is first literary study, find journal for the research, and also after passing to Marunda and discussion with my supervisor. And the work step is find the source of the litter in Marunda, the type, calculate, handling method, and analyzing the formula and define something to improve and synthesize. So analysis, we can get after research that in Marunda that have litter come from first the seawater, then we stick stuck in the concept of abrasion prevention. In this image, it's stuck, and the factory, industrial waste, household waste, and waste for activity tourism receiving Marunda includes. The type, we know there's so many type in Marunda waste. We can make from liquid and solid waste. The analysis that manufacturer that have Marunda so many trash is first natural and human. Natural is formed by the water, and also the ups and downs of water that cause the waste carry out, and human, the habit of human, they throw away the waste to the river, and there is no good handling in the temporary dams. So in Marunda there are waste management, collection, transportation, and storage sites. And the kind of formulation, volume, generation, distribution, and placement of litter. We can know that from the formulation that the Marunda generation of litter is 2.34 liters per person per day. So the Marunda, where the most commonly come from, is from the accumulation of the river. You know that from the circle there are two main rivers in the Marunda. This is called Cilincing and Tiram River. The Kelincing and Tiram River has so many problems, so many threats because they come from this bottom city. They flow away to the Kelincing and Tiram River. So bad, and also the waste management is bad, and also people bad habits. So criteria must be when the trash entrance must be controlled, and it must be environmental friendly because in Marunda there are so many biota, and it should be efficiently because the geographical condition of Marunda. So I just made a JAPAS called Jaring Pemberantasan Sampah or Water Net Trap. So what is JAPAS? It's things that collect litter that floats on the surface of the river and catching trash floating inside the river. Is three: first, equipment in the water, rigging, and the machine control post. Is the front from the front JAPAS we know there are two net, is the up and the down. Is the from above, and also it's from the side that there are two main trap, first and two. First trap is for the floating water that have mass under the water, so it will catch by the polyethylene because why we make polyethylene because minimize the fish being trapped in the net, and the buoy that made from hypalon is very resistant material from acid, from anything, or from the highly temperature, and the underwater is for the material that drowning. Next, why JAPAS is suitable for the Marunda? First, it's environmentally friendly because the rigid net can prevent fish from being killed and fish caught in the gill cover. It's efficient because the effective catch floating waste and fishermen do not use a lot of money when operating. And the third criteria is condition because operate according to the condition of canal and the river. The conclusion litter is a big problem must be immediately handled by major city and coastal area, and JAPAS is technology that has potential to reduce amount of waste in coastal area. And the solution for this research is development of JAPAS from the community government need any support, and the waste problem it will be never finished. The purpose of getting this technology is reduce waste not finished is because the biggest factor of litter is behavior of community itself. Next, quotes that only when the last tree has died and the last river has been poisoned and the last fish has been caught will be realized that we cannot make money. That's all from me. Thank you. Do you have any question?
Don't have any question. I will finish this session and we